Alright, so today we'll be making Android 17 from Dragon Ball Z, Dragon Ball Super. But before we get into that, hit my intro.
You are now watching
So let's jump right into it. The closest I could get to his hair. There is another one, but I don't know. In my opinion, this is the best one. So let's go to face. You're gonna pick that one. Go down to skin tone. You can have that one. Go to his hairstyle, and he has this one. It's the best one I could kind of get. I don't know. It's not perfect, but it's better than nothing. I'll pop up a picture real quick. See, compare this to what he looks like. Anyway, so you pick the black, and then go to his eyebrows. Whoop, his eyebrows, and then you pick these right there. Position. Pause the video real quick. Get the position. Black, and then we'll go to eyes. He's got those blue eyes. Position right here. Pause the video if you have to. Get that. And then the color is gonna be that one right there. It's gonna be his eyes. So yeah, and then let's go down to nose, and then position. Pause the video. Get that right there. It's that nose right there. All right. Mouth. I'm gonna pick that one right there. Position. Pause the video. Get that. And then I'm going pretty fast. You can just pause the video, get the position. So no facial hair, no mole. Gender is obviously a male. Well, yeah. And then it's kind of what I have him at. Glasses, no glasses. That's it. I mean, that's the color you want to put them. Android 17, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you make them. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.